Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Khalid. Today the topic of my presentation is Surah An-Nasr. Okay? So let's begin. Everyone to say the name of the surah beautifully, then you can say like this. Surah An-Nasr Madaniyah. It's a Madani surah. You can say like this again. Surah An-Nasr Madaniyah. Okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا. So that's all about it. Hope you like my video. Allah Hafiz.